Hello friends, today we are going to see about anthelmintics. Myself Ziaul Haq, Assistant Professor at Loknade Dr. J.D. Paul College of Pharmacy, Manur, Kal. So let's see what is anthelmintics. So definition, these are the agents which are used to destroy or eliminate parasitic worms. Hell means from the GIT. Act by killing or paralyzing the worms so that such worms could be easily expelled out of gut. Next, reproduction. These parasites worms firmly hold the intestinal mucosa and continue their reproduction by egg production. They harm the host by depriving them of by food, causing blood loss, injury to organs, intestinal and lymphatic obstruction, secreting toxins. Adult filari live in the lymphatic connective tissue or mesentery of host and produce live embryos or microfilari, which goes to bloodstream. They are ingested by mosquitoes or similar insects. They develop to larvae in secondary host and pass to mouse part of insect and reinjected to humans. Now let's see types of worms. There are generally three types of worm: cestodites, also called tapeworm, nematodes, roundworm, termatodes, flukes. Let's see one by one. So Ascari lumbricoides, common roundworm, which is having long size. Next, filariasis. Next, hookworm. Next, pinworm, male, female. Next, tapeworm. Next, wipeworm. Next, Tucuris tricura. So these worms are having the different types, and those worms are available in our intestine, stomach. So they cause harm to our body, and they eat our own food, which we eat through different methods, like the foods which we eat go stomach but does not absorb through intestine. They got eaten by the particular worms, and these worms use those food for their own development, like our body works as a host for them. Next one, types of anthelmintics means the drugs which are used to expel out those particular worms from our own body. So depending upon the action, anthelmintics can be categorized into vermifungus, expel the worms from the body, and next vermicides, kill the worm in the body. So classification, the classification of anthelmintics are as follows. First, benzimidazoles, example mebendazole, albendazole, thiabendazole. Next one, quinolines and isoquinolines. Examples, oxamine, quinine, pyrazinamide. Next, pyrazine derivatives, and that piperazine, diethyl carbamazine. Next, vinyl pyrimidines. Examples, parental palmoate, oxantel. Fifth, amides, niclosamide. 6. Natural products, ivermectin. 7. Organophosphorus compounds, metronidate. 8. Imidazole, thiazoles. Example, levimazole. 9. Nitro derivatives, nitrazole. In that, these mebendazole and albendazole and thiabendazole are used frequently. Now, next see piperazine citrate. Now, piperazine citrate, arteritidine dispermate. Mechanism of action, it blocks the response of the Ascaris muscles to acetylcholine, causing the flaccoid paralysis in the worm, which is dislodged from the intestinal wall and expelled in the feces. Highly effective against Ascaris, lumbricoids, and Enterobius vermicularis, roundworm, and threatened worm. Synthesis is very easy. We have to use OHCH2, CH2NH2, 2 moles of it, and 1 mole having the hydroxyl group. That means the hydroxyl group trans to each other. By heating at temperature, the release loss of 2 water molecule converted into piperazine. Now next one, diethyl carbazine citrate. In that hetrazine, the IUPAC nomenclature N-diethyl 4-methyl 1-piperazine carboxamide. Next one, mechanism of action, immobilize microfilaries and alters their surface structure, displacing them from tissues and making them susceptible to destruction by host defense system. It has immunosuppressive effect filaries and ascaris are the main target of those drugs. Next one, thiabendazole. Mentazole, the IUPAC nomenclature is 2,4-thiazolene benzimidazole. So the imidazole derivative having the one example, thiabendazole. The mechanism of action binds with beta tubulin and inhibit microtubule polymerization. The beta tubulin is the precursor of formation of microtubules. They thereby arrest in cell division in nematodes. Biochemical changes inhibits the mitochondrial fumarate reductase and reduced glucose transport, uncoupling of oxidative phosphorylation. Next one, thiabendazole. Continue. It has broad spectrum anthelmintic activity used to treat enterobiostate threadworm, ascariasis, roundworm, trichuriasis, wipeworm. In addition to its use in human medicine, it is widely employed in veterinary practice to control helminths. Next, synthesis. For synthesis, we need aniline and cyanothiazole. In presence of sodium hypochlorite, it converted into thiabendazole by using ammonium hydroxide as a precursor. Next one, mebendazole. Mebendazole used on wormox. Also, they are having the IUPAC nomenclature methyl 5-benzoyl 2-benzimidazole carbamate. Mechanism of action, it irreversibly blocks glucose uptake in susceptible helminths, thereby depleting glycogen stored in the parasite. It does not affect glucose metabolism in the host. So the mebendazole is generally used for the treatment or as an anthelmintics. Next one, uses effective against wipeworm, that means trichuria, pinworm, hookworm, ascaris lumbricoides. Next one, synthesis. For the synthesis, we need S-methylthiurea with methyl chloroformate. In presence of sodium hydroxide, it converted into S-methylthiourea carbamate. This carbamate, when further reacted with 4-chlorobenzene phenol, converted into 4-chloro-3-nitro benzophenone, which further reacted with ammonia, and by using PDCH2 they are converted into mebendazole. Next one, albendazole. The albendazole, generally escazole and Zental are the brand names which is available. Next one, they are having the IUPAC nomenclature methyl 5-propyl-thio 2-benzimidazole carbamate, widely employed throughout the world for the treatment of intestinal nematode function. It effective as a single dose treatment for ascariasis, hookworm infection and trichuriasis. So albendazole are generally used for the removal of helminths from your intestine, and generally in whole world this albendazole suspension used for the treatment of intestinal infection or intestinal bacteria killing or removal. Next one, niclosamide. Cetoside, manosyl, eomycin are the brand names. The IUPAC nomenclature 5-chloro-N2-chloro-4-nitrophenyl 2-hydroxyl benzamide. Mechanism of action, the drug inhibits anaerobic phosphorylation of ADP by the mitochondria of the parasite and interfering with anaerobic generation of ATP by the tapeworm. So it inhibits separation and blocking glucose absorption by the intestinal nematode function. SAR. For the activity, the hydroxyl group of benzoic acid moiety had to be in second position. Uses agent for choices for the treatment of Tinea solanium and Tinea saginata. A saline purge 1 to 2 hours after the injection of this drug recommended to remove the damaged scolex and worm infections. Quinaxirine can aid for this purpose. Next one, oxamniquine. Vancil is a brand name. 1,2,3,4 tetrahydro 2-isopropyl amino methyl 7-nitro 6-quinoline methanol. It is the IUPAC nomenclature. Mechanism of action, it inhibits DNA, RNA and protein synthesis of worms. The hydroxyl group is essential for the activity for the treatment of intestinal schistosomiasis. Next one, praziquantel. Biltricides. The IUPAC nomenclature 2-cyclohexyl carbonyl 1,2,3,4,7 11B hexahydro 4H pyrazino 2,1A isoquinoline 4-on. It increases cell membrane permeability of susceptible worm, resulting in loss of intracellular calcium and loss of extracellular sodium. It is the mechanism of action of paraziquantel. Massive contraction and ultimate paralysis of the floc musculate occurs. The worm lose grip of intestinal mucosa and are expelled. Uses: it has become the agent of choice for the treatment of infection caused by fluke infections. Next one, synthesis. Next one, ivermectin. Ivermectin having the broad or very large structure. Let's see its mechanism of action. Are a mixture of 2,2,2,3 dihydro derivatives of ivermectins B1A and B1B prepared by catalytic reduction. Are membrane of family of structurally complex antibiotic produced by a strain of Streptomyces ivermectis. The structure of vermectin were established by a combination of spectroscopic and X-ray crystallographic techniques to contain pentacyclic glycosidically linked at 13th position to a disaccharide that comprises two allendrose sugar residues. Mechanism of action: it blocks interneuron transmission in nematodin by stimulating the release of inhibitory neurotransmitter gamma aminobutyric acid. Uses: widespread used in veterinary practices in the treatment of onchocerciasis caused by Onchocerca volvulus. So here our anthelmintic chapter is over. So if you have any doubt, any problem, any query, so you can ask to sir, and if you does not understood any type of mechanism of action, sir, so you can ask.